Hello everyone. On January 28, 1986, the world mourned the tragic loss of the Space Shuttle Challenger to a propellant explosion in flight. While nearly 40 years have passed since this sobering reminder about the dangers of spaceflight, things didn't change very much yet. Human beings and cargo are still strapped on to what essentially are flying bombs, limiting our opportunities in space. Existing rockets are still too dangerous, expensive, and increasingly so polluting to fulfill our interplanetary aspiration as a species. This changes now. We are Equatorial Space, and we have developed safe, affordable, and green rockets of tomorrow. We achieve this by taking hybrid propulsion, a simple, easily controlled kind of rockets that use a combination of liquid oxidizer and solid fuel, which are both separated and inherently safe, and by solving their past limitations. Hybrid rockets have been around for decades. In fact, they were once proposed as a better alternative to the space shuttle's ill-fated solid rocket boosters, but the fuels available simply weren't good enough for orbital launch applications. Our proprietary patent-pending rocket fuel is good enough, and it will transform the launch industry forever. Our reusable launch vehicles will eliminate explosive hazards, reduce the cost by 90%, and produce 70% less greenhouse gases compared to traditional rockets built and launched by companies such as SpaceX. The stakes are high. The satellite launch business alone will grow to $32 billion per year by 2027, and our rockets will enable opportunities that don't yet exist in space tourism, mining, and manufacturing. We will begin providing launch services by 2025. We have already generated market interest for over $200 million from satellite companies and over $5 million in contracts pipeline, including for making rocket motors for other companies. All of this is possible thanks to our veteran crew of rocket scientists. Our fuel was invented by Jamie Anderson, who had dedicated his career of 30 years to advancing this technology while working with the American Rocket Company, starting the Australian Space Launch Initiative, and becoming the founding engineer at Gilmore Space Technologies before joining us as CTO. Marcelo Martinez spent 40 years building rockets and UAVs in Argentina, Europe, and the United States for both civilian and defense applications before becoming our head of flight dynamics. Praveen, our COO, left his career in material science 5 years ago to join Space Tech, his true passion of many years. I'm Simon Gvush, the founder and CEO, who formed our team from scratch and created not just a new company, but a whole new industry in my adopted country of Singapore before bringing our company to America. The time is now. We invite you to be a part of our mission to deliver a safe and responsible spacefaring future for all mankind. Thank you.